So today we're doing lunch once more with the family, and our goodly friend Jackie, as usual, she has the spots, and she took us to this nice hidden gem. It's a beautiful Japanese restaurant called SORA. It's in the sky.
SORA Sky Cuisine.
SORA Sky Cuisine, and
Phoenix Avenue in Kingston.
Yeah, it's a very, very, very upscale type restaurant, but it's still affordable, and the food is great. The ambiance is very,
Ambiance.
Yeah, good. But we had a lovely time, and the meal, the presentation was everything. And if you're one of those people who eats with your eyes, then you would love this place. Food was great too. The taste was pristine
And divine.
Yeah.
Riboflavin.
Yeah, and as you can see, the outdoors also, it has a
But
lot
Jackie yard this now well open. This is Jackie's backyard.
Oh.
So we're soon going at the Sky Cuisine place. Alright, so now we're at SORA.
Yeah.
And hey, just watch a video.
But
It's
yeah,
so
look
nice.
look at the outdoors. Look at the greenery.
And we've been here before, if you watch our Just Salad video, it's the same complex.
Same complex.
The place nice, me not telling a lie. But we have to go upstairs all the way to the top of the building.
Lord, that was a walk. But it's good to exercise before you eat up all of that nice, delicious food.
I didn't want you to work out the food before. Yeah, when you can eat your work again.
I like the way they have this across.
Me notice you have the eye.
So this is what the outdoors look like, on the terrace if you want to eat on the outside. And we had intended to eat outside, but then I believe it was a little bit chilly. And some members of our party weren't feeling too well, so we decided to take it inside.
Which member of party at all?
The parliamentary party.
Nice.
It's called a party. A group of people dining out is a party. Yeah, so
Japanese.
a couple members of our party wasn't feeling well, and so we had to give up this beautiful outdoorsy ambiance where there's a bar and it overlooks the lush green beauty of Jamaica. Yeah, and as you can see, we started to sit down outside, zooming in, look at the hills and the horizon and the buildings.
And you know what? It's just nice to see Kingston from this angle.
Yeah.
The Ligani Plain all the way down to the sea. Yeah, nice panoramic view of the city. And then we're gonna eat some food. Got the food nice. I will love it. That's your boy, no? Him love them something, yeah.
He loves this type of thing.
Show off, boy.
That's a cute couple right there.
I would have man them on him cute, eh? This is our family. Yes, guys. More scenery.
That's my house over there. Look, if you look good, you see my house on the hill.
Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica.
And sometimes when you're on the flat, you don't get to appreciate the beauty.
Food time. Cream of pumpkin soup. Yes, it was hot. That's your boy now.
Give me a thumbs up, Josh.
And now we're being, treated to what them call Japanese bento boxes, which is basically the type of plate, the type of style of food. And we have salmon with vegetable and chicken teriyaki with vegetable and rice and then one little something over there, so one little salad something. But the food is good and we enjoy our meal. And now we're back to taking pictures. Hee hee. Now tell Pastor say there bar.
Oh boy. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and continue to show us all the love you have from Yardie Belly TV. Peace.